Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEXO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some things need to be updated here. The first update is just based off of an area that you would want to see act as support is doing a fantastic job of acting as support, and that is that purple line right there. Pretty sure I talked about this on Monday as a level of support, but even if I didn't, point here being the price got up above it, and that's a very common level. It's a very historic level. You can even call it a self-fulfilling prophecy as far as the world of charts is concerned, where a lot of people use that area. And, even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see it act as support. And again, as I pointed out, that's exactly what's going on. So if the price can continue to stay up above, let's call it $4.10, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. With all that being said, it's not like the 410 mark is a do or die. I mean, if the price falls below it, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, if the price could stay up above 410, that would be a great sign of strength. In the event the price doesn't hold above 410, the next key level of support to watch would be down here at the $4 mark. And $4 is certainly, much more important, because if the price were to go down here and then just break down below it, at that point in time, you start to get threatened in the sense of, well, the price has now gone back to where it was before the bounce. And, when price movements go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So, but as of right now, probably getting a little bit ahead of myself because the price is even close to testing $4. But that is why $4 would be, definitely much more of a must-hold level compared to that 50-period moving average. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still right up around the 450 mark, which is the level of resistance that I talked about on Monday. But the big dynamic that occurred today was that the price was able to maintain above that purple line and still got plenty of opportunity to chip away and build the higher bases. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But overall, yeah, today wasn't nearly as exciting as Monday. But as of now, still has the opportunity to go through that healthy consolidation, and that's what it's all about. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.